Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Just Poetic, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, we're gonna be watching live lightning crashes. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Y'all know somebody said, why do you say without further ado? Without further ado, ado. What do ado mean? Ado mean goodbye. Without further goodbye. Without further goodbye.
I got more cheese than some mozzarella. Got gold trimmed on my propeller. In my helicopter smoking hella ganja. Louis Gucci Prada stunting even harder. Got the windows tinted, but I see all hate. Got your nigga tiptoeing on my Marvel flow.
Ooh, what's this? What's going on here? You really gonna tell him? Like she liked your video? Some black reactors are catching on to live. Uh-oh, what's going on here? She in pain? What's going on? Oh, that's a lady. This seems sad. Oh, what happened?
Her intentions fall to the floor. The angel closes her eyes.
This definitely sounds like it could be on like a music, not a music, but a movie soundtrack. It seemed like it could be on the soundtrack. Like them riding on the road or something. Somebody riding on the road, and they starting off new, starting off fresh.
Coming back again like a rolling thunder, chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth. I can feel it. Lightning crashes on mother cries. This moment she's been waiting for.
Oh snap! She a ghost. Damn, they done put the coins.
Pale blue colored eyes presents the circle, puts the glory out to hide. Oh, my feeling.
He gonna turn up. He ain't turned up yet.
Like a rolling thunder, chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center.
Oh hell no! What's she doing with the baby? What you laughing for? Ooh, pears. Y'all eat pears? This the what? Let me see this video. Pears is bomb. She has a baby.
Chasing the wind.
How long they gonna have that baby upside down? Damn, I know it's just like a newborn baby. You can hold upside down for a second, but geez, Louis. I mean, maybe it's just super slow motion or something. I don't know. You know what? We really be disrupting babies like whole life. When the babies come out the womb, you really be disrupting their whole situation. That's like somebody snatching your ass up. Like you just warm, comfy in the bed. You got the covers, you wrapped up, you all warm. It's cold outside and shit. It's all bright. Somebody just snatch your ass up out the bed, feet first, and throw you outside. Like what the hell? I'll be crying too. Shit. Live lightning crashes.
I got more cheese than some mozzarella. Got gold trimmed on my propeller. In my helicopter smoking hella ganja. Louis Gucci Prada stunting even harder. Got the windows tinted, but I see all hate. Got your nigga tiptoeing on my Marvel flow.